Next word. Connoisseur.
What? C-O-N-I-C-E-U-E-R. J-U-X-T-A-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N.
Onomatopoeia.
Oh my gosh. Get out, get out, get out. What? O-N-O-M-A-T-A. Wait. O-N-A. Wait, O-N-O-M-A-T-A-P-E-I-O-U.
Not at all. All right, the last one is quintessential.
No. Q-U. What does that even mean?
It is very quintessential.
Okay, so guy doesn't even know. Q-U-I-N-T-I-C-E-N-T-U-A-L.
Not at all.
I might not know.
Yeah. Your word is going to be Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday.
Good job. Word, connoisseur.
What is it?
Connoisseur.
C-O-N-I-S-U-E-R. Connoisseur.
Juxtaposition.
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 Juxtaposition. J-U-X-T-A-P-O-S-T-I-O-N. Juxtaposition.
Onomatopoeia.
O-N-O-M-A-T-O-P-E-A-H. E-A, no H. Onomatopoeia.
I-C-A-L, pharmaceutical. Let's go. 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 That was.
Is connoisseur.
I mean, there's no chance I can spell this right. C-O-N-N-O-S-E-I-U-E-R, connoisseur.
No.
That was kind of close?
No.
No? Okay, it wasn't.
Position.
Easy. Juxtaposition, J-U-X-T-A-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, juxtaposition.
Yep.
Okay, that's actually like English masters, that's an English term, so that one's an easy one for me.
Onomatopoeia.
Because this is also an English term, there's no way I can spell this right. O-N-A-M-A-T-A-P-E-I-A, onomatopoeia. There's no chance that's right, yeah.
No, not
How do you
at
spell
all.
onomatopoeia?
Quintessential.
Quintessential. So I have two so far. Quintessential, Q-U-I-N-T-E-S-S-E-N-T-I-A-L, quintessential.
Yeah.
3 out of 5, 3 out of 6? Am I in first place?
You had two.
Yeah, 'cause